Hello friends! My sister recently visited the doctor and the doctor gave her a food chart to help her eat better. The chart showed what she should eat to have a balanced diet with the right nutrient and portions. She was really excited and showed it to me, to which I said, this chart was not suitable for me. Just like you all, she was confused too. Well, friends, different people have different nutritional requirements. For instance, I need certain amount of proteins, carbs, fats, vitamins and minerals, but my sister might need more or less of these. That depends on her age, activity level, or even her health goals. But in the end, it all comes down to a balanced diet. What exactly is a balanced diet? Well, a balanced diet is all about eating the right amount of essential nutrients, roughage, and of course, water. All these are required by our body for energy, growth, and development. But wait, what makes a diet balanced? Download the Toppscholars app to watch the complete video. Unlock premium access for 24/7 unlimited doubt solving with expert teachers.